So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here, and this video is going to be really short. This is just a follow-up on the Beelink GT Mini that I reviewed a couple months ago. And I will put a link in the description where you guys can go ahead and check that out. But this video is strictly pertaining to Netflix and viewing 4K content on Netflix. Now, one of my subscribers, and I'll go ahead and shout him out right now, he did post a couple comments saying he's having issues playing 4K, and he asked that I display some of my settings. So I'm going to go ahead and share it with you. Now, this is not my normal setting, guys. I am downstairs in front of the big screen. This is my Sony 75-inch 4K TV, and I just wanted to show you guys what settings I'm running, and also wanted to show you guys that Netflix is working in full 4K. You can see right there the settings on the TV is 3840 by 2160, and that is 4K. Ratio on that is 16:9, guys. I'm gonna go to settings. Gonna go down, all the way down. Gonna go to Droid settings, display, screen resolution, and you can see I got it set to auto switch to best quality. So basically it detects your monitor and automatically switches. Now below that, the display mode, it shows 2160p at 60 hertz. So click on that, you can see that it's 4K at 60 hertz, guys. Color depth settings and color space settings set to YCB CR420. All right, so let me just back on out. Let's go to screen position. All right, scaling is set to 100%, and we're gonna go down to HDR, SDR, that's set to auto. SDR to HDR, that's actually turned off. All right, so let's back on out. All right, so HDMI settings, you guys can view those. Playback settings, that's actually turned off. All right, and that's basically it as far as the display settings. So now we're gonna back all the way out. We're gonna go ahead and launch Netflix. And just keep in mind, I will have to blur some of this out, guys. So in order for this to work, Netflix, obviously you will need to have the upgraded account, and that basically allows you to watch 4K. So all I did was go into Netflix, I searched some 4K content, and let's go ahead and we'll try BBC Earth. This is Planet Earth 2. You can see the quality is set to Ultra HD 4K. So let's play episode 1. And that looks really good, guys. Probably doesn't do much justice because I'm actually just filming the screen. Normally I would have the capture card to capture it exactly, but it looks good in person. So The Hunt is another one that's in 4K. Like I said again, guys, works well. Doesn't show the actual option there to actually view the quality, but like I said, everything is in 4K. The picture quality, the content, the television, as well as the Android box. So everything looks really stunning on this screen. That's basically it. Not sure how much more I can go into it. Showed my settings, show the settings of the box, show the settings of the TV. I'll put a link to everything in the description, the Android box as well as the television. If you guys have any questions about this, again, drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.